What is it? Project is an exhibit. How do you say it? Like adding things, no? Point by point over my pursuit in terms of architecture. Any shelter can be a perfect home. So, in this project, luxury is mostly about space and volume. It's a very vast area where we thought we'll start with lessening the carbon footprint, trying to reach a carbon negative or carbon neutral output. I am Fawaz from Mitti. Mitti is a eco-friendly architectural practice based in south of Hosur. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Ojas 24 at Shoolagiri. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. This is located in a rural fabric where villagers also become part of the community as a security, as labor. So Shoolagiri is a very rural interior village having a connect to Bangalore through Bangalore-Salem highway. This is around 4,000 square feet. Initial thought about the concept was easier for me because it was already happening in the farm itself. They were camouflaging the buildings. As you enter the site, you pass along linear water body which has an island which contains existing mango tree, and you happen to see a climb up to the terrace with a made out of a lot of waste. As you enter the building, have a ramp up which we have used as a barrier-free thought, and you have a larger hall with less of furniture, fixed seating along the base of the tree. This wall, as we call it, poured earth debris wall, this has a lesser compressive strength than a rammed earth. It is good enough to be a load-bearing structure. Initially, we have fixed to be 3 by 3 feet bricks, and we installed chicken mesh as a formwork. Then we had a composition. We test the soil, and then we come to a proportion where we have around 30% of sieved soil, 30-35% of the sieved waste, 10-15% of quarry waste, 5 to 10% of cement also. As we reach the boulder's height, which was initially planned and tabulated and marked and all, so we have collected these boulders from the surroundings with the pre-planned composition and then placed as and when it reaches its height. You have your dining here, you have your kitchen island here, where we have a huge neem tree which makes it to bend our primary wall. The wash basin was designed by one of my colleagues then named by Sajid. So idea was to contain the entire wash basin in the slab. You can get out to the northern side of the building, which is the front, along the pool side. You can also have a curated backyard which is kept as clean so that client itself can add into it. As you enter to the more deeper into the private space through a transition corridor which has a internal courtyard with a mango tree. Then you enter to the master bedroom and you have a jacuzzi toilet. So we had to do a bit of R&D, go to jacuzzi factory, learn from them, excite them with our proposal and stuff. You have your second bedroom, a private veranda and a courtyard. The ceiling what you see is a tree called Casuarina, which is used for scaffolding in rural areas. To lighten the load of the roof, glass over the ceiling came at a later stage. This becomes a guest bed, has a connect to the swimming pool. Mostly materials we have were sourced from the site in the initial days. Whatever raw materials in terms of aggregates and building blocks and earth, we have got it from the site, obviously. The locals we have been working in sustainable earthen kind of projects from Auroville, trained them using these skills that we got from. As workers also got a grip on the execution challenges, they have come up with a few ideas to make it safe, strong, and the wall itself will take the load. It's not something which is done on and executed as it is pre-planned. It is something evolved over the progress of the project. So we have a clarity shared from the labor to the client. It becomes easy for them to emotionally connect with the project and automatically contributes in a very surprising way, in a very timely manner. Okay, though we had tried and failed and tried and failed it, finally we have achieved something to a level where we can deliver it.